You ready now, or?
That's a nice fish. Whoa. Oh, almost hit Dad in the head.
Test 1, 2. We're in action, baby.
Monster.
Okay guys, we just got to Masset, British Columbia. This is up in the Haida Gwaii, the southern tip of Alaska. So we're gonna go after some halibut today. There we go. We're gonna do a little trolling, troll some anchovies around, try and get a couple coho, get some fresh bait, and then we're gonna go drift over some humps. So stay tuned. We got 5 days of fishing coming up. Let's get into some halibut. Okay, just got out. We're just outside the harbor. We're gonna try and pick up a couple coho. Like I said, best bait for halibut is definitely a nice fresh salmon belly or a salmon head. So we're running some chovies and we're gonna try to pick up a couple coho real quick, couple bluebacks. So I think we got 6 coho. We got 6? Yeah, we got 5 or 6. Pretty decent. We could just start it off, but we got some fresh bait. We got some herring salting up. We're gonna go check out some sand flats and try and get after those alleys.
So you want it in the front one?
Well, all that waiting, and here we go.
Oh, you missed them.
We're gonna do a little chicken coop here. I like it. We got the wee little chicken.
Oh, I think this is a deep. It's not a salmon rod though. Yeah.
We're gonna wait for a bigger one though. Not even that deep either. 47 feet.
You ready now, or?
That's a nice fish. Whoa. Oh, almost hit Dad in the head.
Cool, eh? Both eyes on the side of the... They're flatfish. So they swim like that. But they're born upright. Hey, Bill?
They are.
They're born like this. They swim like a regular fish, and their eye kind of just... This top eye kind of rotates over as they mature and they get older, and then they turn into a flatfish, eh? This is my favorite bait long line in. The collar. Like, I would even eat that. What do you think? Can I fit it all in my mouth? I didn't taste good though. Yeah, this is a big fish.
Yeah, he's going for the swim.
This is what we came here for. That's why we came here. We wanted to see some bigger halibut. Kind of want that 60, 70 pound range. He's not too big, but he's a nice keeper, I think.
Oh, he's a little bigger. Keep his head below the surface.
Oh! Look at all the sea lice there.
Traveler. Traveler moving. Caused by sand on the bottom.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, that's got to be 30, I'd think.
102 centimeters.
All right, we want a 120.
88.
There we go. Yeah, maybe 30, 35 pounds or something.
Yeah.
Perfect eater. We're on the board again.
So come up here.
Bill promised me a 200 pounder. Bill said he's gonna get a 200 pounder, or else he doesn't deserve a tip.
Oh, I think it was, did I not say 7 times 30? Sophisticate for the next 3 days.
My dad's a tough one, eh? If you catch him a sturgeon, it's too big. If you catch him an 8 or a 10, too small. He wants that, he's got like his own personal slot size when he gets guided. Down the gullet, is it? Well, fish and chips coming up.
I think this might be the king of the day.
Think so?
I think it's a good possibility.
Well, hopefully he's in that 130 centimeter range.
Or just under.
Ooh, look at the size of that pup. No, not as big as I thought he was going to be. No, I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
You don't think he's not?
No, I don't. I mean, we can weigh him or measure him.
Oh, he's nice alley though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
90 on the nose. So that's fine.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, you son of a gun.
Let him run, let him run.